Firstly, super excited to be in front of you today. My name is Jason Adai. I run the EMEA Technology Partner Sales organization at AWS, and I've got something to tell you today. AI is here, and it's here to stay. Now, whilst you sit there and think, what is he waffling about? I've got a story. Show of hands for those who enjoy Italian food. About 90% of the room. And when we think about Italian food, what do we consider to be a good representation of Italian food? Colors, family style, simplicity of flavors. And if you think about your favorite brand, there are many brands that I can't name for legal reasons, what would it take for your favorite brand to deliver a comprehensive advert to you, to entice you to buy your favorite product and service? A lot of work, a lot of effort, maybe 12 months, 6 months, maybe 4 weeks. What if I could tell you that you could produce a TV advert in less than 60 seconds? That piece of content was one line of code, one prompt, and took 60 seconds to produce. AI adoption is growing, it's real, and it's gaining pace. We know that at least 72% of organizations have adopted generative AI in the last 12 months. 50% of organizations, more importantly, have converted proof of concepts to production workloads. And 40% of those organizations are already achieving ROI on those investments. It's not hype, it's reality. But at AWS, we understand that the challenges are real. We're under no illusions. How do you, as a project manager, prove value back to the business for investment? How do you secure budget and funding for all of these cool innovations you want to drive within your organization? How do you invoke systemic change across people, processes, and management? It takes time. It takes effort. But at AWS, our commitment is to help you move from strategy to action. We know that organizations who are doing this successfully, 60% of them have hired a chief data and AI officer, as simple as that. But it's not just that investment in resource that's going to move the needle for us. There has to be top-down accountability from board level to drive digital transformation with generative AI. We know 45% of those organizations have ring-fenced budget. Companies that you work for today have budget allocated for generative AI and agentic AI technologies. But what's most exciting for me is this concept of future-proofing. Organizations are striving for operational efficiency, improved productivity, and enhanced customer experiences. We are shifting from hype to reality. And if there's one data point that I would say take away from this slide, it's the 33% of enterprise applications will include agentic AI, up 1% from 2024. Embedded workflows, operational efficiency, and improved productivity through our partnerships with organizations like Monday.com are here to stay. So you're probably thinking, AI, AWS, what do they do? What is AWS? AI and machine learning is not new to AWS. we've been using AI technology for the last 20 years on our Amazon.com website. And if we look at some of the prominent examples that you would have encountered in your day-to-day life, here are some that we have in front of us. Rufus, our intelligent assistant, helping personalize shopping experiences for you on our Amazon.com website. Amazon Pharmacy, a 24/7 online prescription service powered by generative AI to automate the completion of prescription forms, delivering time to value and better outcomes for patients. Amazon Ads, we all like Italian food. We can create a TV advert that would take weeks in seconds. And Prime Video, we can deliver real-time product and service targeting through generative AI technology to our consumers of some of our most popular titles on Amazon Prime. We are using AI today within our own organization, and our mission is to deliver that capability to our customers at scale. But it's important when we think about generative AI to start with the problem and not the solution. We often see people jumping ahead to over-rotate on what they believe the solution to be, rather than better defining the issue itself. And why is that critical? Because identifying specific pain points, focusing on measurable outcomes, and aligning with top-down board-level business outcomes can drive your idea to production. And we know AI can create significant business value. I talked about the operational efficiency. We know customers and organizations are looking to achieve better EBITDA, improve profitability, gain new ground in market share. Employee productivity, looking at tools like Monday.com. We want more with less investment, and this is why generative and agentic AI is a board-level item. And reimagining customer experience. I was watching Amazon Prime last night. Midway through the game, targeted with a particular product or service. Under Armour shorts. I didn't buy, by the way, but the point being that they can target me knowing my persona. But what we are seeing is a shift in the market. If you look at where AI and machine learning has come from, generative AI assistants were trained and modeled around following a set of binary rules. We've now seen a shift towards generative AI agents that can be trained to achieve a single goal on more complex tasks. But actually, what our customers want and what we're building through our partnership with organizations like Monday.com is an agentic AI future. Agents that work autonomously on more complex tasks to deliver business value. So how do you take the next step? AWS has the most comprehensive set of tools, platforms, and services to help support you as you adopt technologies like Monday.com. Everything from Amazon Bedrock for developers who want to build generative AI-powered applications on top of AWS and Monday.com. Amazon Connect, our cloud contact center as a service, offering enhanced customer experiences and omni-channel capability for organizations. And then we have Amazon Q, incredibly powerful as a tool, helping developers write code for applications in seconds rather than days, improving overall productivity. And when we think about our partner network, we have the deepest and the broadest set of partners who are here to support you on your digital transformation journey. Everyone from the likes of Accenture, Firemind, Salem, all leaning in to help you as customers achieve the art of what's possible. But don't believe me, customers are doing this today. This is a great example of how GSK, large pharmaceutical company, are investing in Amazon Bedrock for generative AI and Amazon Bedrock agents to automate their customer service operations and deliver stronger outcomes for patients. And Canva on AWS, an awesome data point, 235 million users worldwide. They're using generative AI to generate net new content to win and develop new market opportunities. So as we wrap up and close, how can we think about helping you on your AI journey? Call to action number 1, define the problem statement. Identify a high-impact use case that's going to make a difference for your organization. Align on clear business goals. This is a number 1 issue we see with organizations who get stuck at proof of concept. Align your mission statement to the broader organizational strategy. And the third thing, don't necessarily hire a new chief data and AI officer. There's loads of them about. But think about how you can better define KPIs, measurable outcomes, to hold yourself accountable and the business accountable for driving generative AI adoption. And once that's defined, launch with one team velocity. And I encourage you all to use this resource. It's the AWS AI website. On there, you'll have access to content, resources, toolkits, templates that will help you unlock all of this awesome innovation we're delivering internally, but also for our customers. And with that, we wrap up. Thank you so much.